इजाजत है तो हम लोग कुछ क्वेश्चंस ले सकते हैं पैनल से। हम कुछ क्वेश्चंस सवाल कुछ ऑडियंस पूछना चाहे, कोई 3 सवाल ले लें। कोई 3 सवाल हम ले सकते हैं, जो भी जिसके मन में हो, कोई जो पूछना चाह रहा हो। वी हैव अ ग्रुप ऑफ लेडीज हियर, वन ऑफ द लेडीज हियर विल स्टार्ट विद देम। एनी वन पर्सन, या आप प्लीज माइक पहुंचा दें।
Good afternoon, everyone. Being from Bangalore and Karnataka, I'm extremely... having said that, this startup is a concept which is becoming very popular amongst the youth. But when we talk of startup, we find that the Tier 1 institutes, IITs, IIMs, they already have a lot of technical know-how and opportunities. But the youth of the Tier 2, 3 cities, the youth full of energy, full of passion, but they have no direction as to how to go about. So if that is a hub, and if that can be popularized right from the academics, like the UG section, I think it will help them a lot. And it will prevent them going away from their passion, coming to cities, metros, and taking up this courier jobs. So I think that will help them a lot.
So hub and spoke for
excellent suggestion that she is given, that we have to take it to Tier 2, Tier 3 cities also.
Yes.
The youth of those cities also has a lot of innovative ability, lot of talent, lot of energy, but they're not getting the right kind of ecosystem to, express their talent.
Access nahi milta.
Access nahi milta. So up Tier 2, Tier 3 cities, we have to go to that. And I think excellent suggestion that she has given. That is where the policy initiative has to go now.
Has to come.
थैंक यू सो मच। इसीलिए आपको याद होगा SCL इसी लिए नोएडा से दूसरे शहरों में आया,
लखनऊ में आया।
Sir, namaste, sir.
कोई और can we take a question from this side?
लाएंगे अखिलेश इस बार पीढ़ी सरकार।